we want to take Pebbles and Fern on adventures. We tried doing that with the first bird carrier that we used to take them home and take them to the vets, but they absolutely hate it.
Getting them in it involves catching them and throwing them inside. As you see, they're not a fan. So we just got this, and you can see now our first 10 minutes of trying to convince them to get into the carrier.
Enjoy. Step up. Good bird.
Fern, come here, little bird. Hey, you. Yeah, you can get some treats, little bird. Yeah. Free treats. You don't even have to do tricks. How about that? Yeah?
Come on, Pebbles. Here we go.
Good job, Fern. Good job. Yeah. Good bird.
Bird.
Good job, Fern. So hold on to me.
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Good bird.
There you go, Fern. Good bird, Fern.
Are we going to? Oh, scary in there. It's not that scary. You can do it. Step up. Want to turn around? You want to get the treats right behind you?
Hey, Fern.
You can go in first.
Hey, you. There you go. There you go. Oh, come on.
Step up.
Step up. Good bird.
He is gripping on with the single foot.
Good bird, Fern.
Good bird.
Good job, both of you.
Good bird.
Good birds.
Good birds.
Good job.
Good birds.
You insist more? No more? Okay. Have some more. Yeah, Pebbles. That's good. Hey, Fern. Step up. Good bird.
Good bird.
Fern. Step up.
Good bird.
Good bird.
Pebbles is finally inside now.
Good bird, Fern. Oh, that was easier than expected.
It's much more open than the last one.
Yeah.
The last one, they really had to go inside. It took days of us doing touch training and stuff just to get them to put their heads in.
Yeah.
This is very open. We didn't even need to do touch training. We could just kind of show them treats and they got in. They couldn't, yeah. Much better, much easier.
Greedy birds.
Yes. Very greedy. Good
Good
birds.
bird, Fern. Good birds. You're gonna get to go on all kinds of adventures, little birds.
Other hand, Pebbles.
Come on.
You have a hop.
Oh, there she goes.
You can do it, Pebbles. Yeah. Hop to here. And then you get the good one.
Good bird, Fern. Yeah, poop in there.
Oh.
Okay, step up. Good bird. Let's give you some. There you go. Yeah, good bird.
No. Step up. Ah.
Hey, Pebbles. Come on. There you go.
Step up.
Good birds. Oh, just thinking about it.
I know. They both were looking. And Ball's going near the scary wood to get those treats. Good bird. Step up. Good bird. No, don't. Keep stepping up. Good birds.
Good job, you two.
These they both went on the wood now. Pebbles was avoiding it very strongly before.
Yeah, with this, since we can open up the lid completely, there's no top. I think that's why they're so much more willing to go in.
This is much better.
Yep.
And they can see the inside. It looks, yeah.
Yeah, little bird. I'm a little bit surprised they're willing to go in it because it's yellow. They don't like yellow. But, hey, it's okay. Good birds.
Are they out of treats? Do they want more treats? I have a few in my hands. I better with mine first. That's what I was afraid of. Good bird.
In and then out.